Good day, grade 7. Today, our lesson is all about physical quantities, units, and measurements. We use various instruments to provide us information of the things around us. For example, we use a ruler to find the length of a table and weighing scale to read the mass. After this chapter, you should be able to convert units from one unit to another. Let's have this quotation about measurement. One accurate measurement is worth 1,000 expert opinions. Well, let's have the measurement or the concept of measurement. The first one is quantity. When we say quantity, it refers to phenomena, bodies, or substances that can be quantified. When we say quantified, it can be countable, and it assigned to particular phenomenon, body, or substance. And we also have physical quantity. It has magnitude and unit. Some example of physical quantities are mass and electric charge. And measurement is a comparison of physical quantity with an appropriate standard or unit of measurement. All physical measurement can never be absolutely accurate and are only accurate up to certain degree. These are only approximations. The accuracy of measurement depends on the precision of the measuring instrument and the person taking the measurement. Both of them can never be absolutely accurate. So physical quantities are divided into base quantities and derived quantities. So let's have first the base quantities. We have here the SI units in the table, the unit name, the unit symbol, and the quantity name. So let's have first the meter. Meter, the unit symbol of meter is M, and the quantity name is length because we use meter to measure the length of a given object. Next, kilogram, then the unit symbol is kg, and the quantity name is mass. Next, we have seconds. Unit symbol is S, and quantity name is time. Next, ampere. Quantity or the unit symbol is A and the quantity name is electric current. Next, we have Kelvin. The unit symbol is K. Quantity name is thermodynamic temperature. We use this to calculate the Fahrenheit and the Celsius. Next, we have the mole or the unit symbol is MOL and the quantity name is amount of substance. Next unit name, we have candela. The unit symbol is CD and quantity name is luminous intensity. Okay, this table shows some common derived quantities with their respective units. So we have square meter or the m raised to the power of 2 and the quantity name is area. And we have m raised to the power of 3 or the cubic meter and quantity name is volume. We also have meter per second or m/s and the quantity name is speed and velocity. Next we have quantity which is meter per second squared or the m/s raised to the power of 2 or s squared. Quantity name is acceleration. And we also have quantity which is kilogram per cubic meter or kg/m raised to the power of 3 or m cubed. And the quantity name is thermodynamic temperature. This table is what we call common metric prefixes. It used to indicate multiplication of physical quantities. These prefixes simplify the writing of very large or very small quantities. So example, we have giga. So the symbol of giga is capital letter G and the multiple of this is 10 raised to the power of 9. Next, prefix is we have mega. The symbol is capital letter M and the the multiple is 10 raised to the power of 6. Next prefix, we have kilo. The symbol of this is capital letter K, and the multiple is 10 raised to the power of 3 or 10 cube. Then we have centi. Symbol is small letter C, and the multiple of this is 10 raised to the power of negative 2. As you can see, the exponent is negative since it is small quantities. Next, we have milli. The symbol of this is M, and we have 10 raised to negative 3, and we have micro. As you can see, the symbol of micro would look like this one, and the multiple of this is 10 raised to the negative 6. So now let's have the conversion of units. Let's have first the millimeter to meter, centimeter to meter, and kilometer to meter. Okay, length. When we say length, the basic unit for length is the meter or m. A ruler or meter rule is used to measure short lengths, while a measuring tape is used to measure longer lengths. When measuring length using a ruler, the eye must be placed directly above the ruler on the scale to avoid measurement errors. Okay, let's have first the 1 mm is equal to 0.001 m, wherein mm is millimeter and m is meter, and 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01 meter. Centimeter means cm means centimeter, and 1 km is equal to 1000 m, or 1 kilometer, km means kilometer, is equal to 1000 meter. So example, express millimeter in meter. So we have 312 millimeter, then convert it in meter. To convert 312 millimeter into meter, just multiply it by 0.001, since 1 millimeter is equal to 0.001, and we have 312 millimeter. So 312 multiplied by 0.001 meter, since we convert it into meter, the answer is 0.312 meter. Next, we have 38.4 millimeter. To convert it into meter, multiply it by 0.001. So 38.4 multiplied by 0.001 is equal to 0.0384 meter. Next, let's have the centimeter in meter, or cm in m. So we have 6.7 centimeter. Just multiply it by 0.01, since 1 centimeter is equal to 0.01. So we have 6.7 multiplied by 0.01 is equal to 0.067 meter. Then next we have 5 centimeter. So 5 centimeter multiplied by 0.01 meter is equal to 0.05. In short, as you can see, we have decimal point, 2 decimal places, 1 and 2. So just add 2 decimal places into the given. So we have 0, 1, 2. So add 0. Then we move the decimal point here. Then add 0 again. So the answer is 0.067. 0.067. Also here, so decimal 1, 2. So add 2, 1, and 2. So add 0, then decimal point, then 0. So the answer is 0.05 meter. Next, let's have the kilometer in meter. So, given we have 14 kilometer and convert it into meter. So, 14 multiplied by 1,000 since 1 kilometer is equal to 1,000 meter. So, the answer is 14,000 meter. Next, 2.5 kilometer multiplied by 1,000, we have 2,500 meter. The units for length in English metric system still in use in some countries like the United Kingdom, for instance, are listed below. So example, 12 inch is equal to 1 foot, 3 feet is equal to 1 yard, and 5,280 feet is equal to 1 mile. So we have 12 inches, or IN means inches, is equal to 1 foot, and 3 FT, or FT means feet, is equal to 1 YD. YD means yard. And 5,280 FT, FT means feet or foot, is equal to 1 MI or miles. So let's express feet in inches. So example, we have 2 feet. 2 feet, or 2 multiplied by 12, since 2 feet is equal to 12 inches. So we have 2 times 12 inch, or inches, is equal to 24 inches. So 2 feet is equal to 24 inches, and 24 inches is equal to 2 feet. It is vice versa. So 2.5 feet, convert it into inches. So 2.5 multiplied by 12, since 1 feet is equal to 12 inches. So we have 30 inches. 2.5 multiplied by 12 is equal to 30. Oh, so we have 2.5 feet is equal to 30 inches. And 30 inches is equal to 2.5 feet. Next, let's have the yard in feet, or convert yard into feet. So given we have 3 yards, since 1 yard is equal to 3 feet, so 3 multiplied by 3 is equal to 9. So 3 yard is equal to 9 feet, and 9 feet is equal to 3 yard. Next, we have 3.2 yard. So multiply it by 3. So we have 3.2 multiplied by 3. We have 9.6 feet. 3.2 yard is equal to 9.6 feet. Next, convert MI, or miles, in feet. So we have 2 miles multiply by 5,280 feet, since 1 mile, or 1 mile, is equal to 5,280 feet. So 2 multiplied by 5,280, we have 10,560 feet. Again, 2 miles is equal to 10,560 feet. And 1.5, again, multiply it by 5,280, since miles, or 1 mile, is equal to 5,280 feet. And 1.5 multiplied by 5,280 feet is equal to 7,920 feet. So 1.5 miles is equal to 7,920 feet. Now, look at how to convert the units of length in the English metric system to the units of length in the SI unit system. When we say SI, it is the System of International Metric System. So we have 1 inch is equal to 2.54 centimeter. 1 foot is equal to 30.5 centimeter, and 1 yard is equal to 0.915 meter, and 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. So look to the left side. 1 inch, or IN means inches, is equal to 2.54 centimeters. CM means centimeter. And 1 foot is equal to 30.5 centimeter. And 1 YD or yard is equal to 0.915 meter. And 1 MI means mile, is equal to 1.61 kilometer. So now let's express inch in centimeters. So given we have 5 inches or 5 inch, so to convert it into centimeter, we need to multiply it by 2.54 centimeters, since 1 inch is equal to 2.54 and we have 5 inch. So 5 multiplied by 2.54 is equal to 12.7 centimeter. Next, we have 2.5 inches or inch multiplied by 2.54 centimeter again. So the answer is 13.85 centimeter. So next, let's convert feet into centimeters. So given we have 2 feet, then convert it by centimeter. To convert it, just multiply it by 30.5, since 1 feet or 1 foot is equal to 30.5. So 2 multiplied by 30.5 is equal to 61 centimeter. Again, 2 feet is equal to 61 centimeter. Next, 3.2 feet multiplied by 30.5 centimeter is equal to 97.6 centimeter. Again, since 1 foot is equal to 30.5, we multiply them by 30.5. So the answer is 61 centimeter and 97.6 centimeter. So next, express yard in meter. So given we have 4 yard, multiply it by 0.915 meter, since 1 yard is equal to 0.915 meter. So 4 multiplied by 0.915, the answer is 3.66 meter. Then 2.2 yard is equal to 2.013 meter. So next, convert miles in kilometers. So we have 2 miles. So 2 multiplied by 1.61, since 1 mile is equal to 1.61 kilometer. So 2 multiplied by 1.61 kilometer, the answer is 3.22 kilometers. So next we have 1.5 miles. So 1.5 multiplied by 1.61 kilometers, the answer is 2.415 kilometers. Again, 1.5 miles is equal to 2.415 kilometers. And that's it. Thank you for listening. Good day, grade 7.